Here we have our Habanero 100 PSI 4-trumpet train horn kit. As you can see, it comes with a compressor and tank combination. The combination includes the air hose to hook up to a horn. This kit specifically comes with the fitting for the air hose, the Habanero 4-trumpet horn itself, the 40 amp relay with harness, and an S8 momentary button. Wired directly, we have our 12-volt power and ground. Ideally, you would have this hooked up to your accessory circuit from your ignition or even a toggle switch. Also, directly, we have ground wired up to our momentary switch as well as our Habanero horn. With our 12 volts feeding our harness to our relay, once you activate the button itself, it'll provide a momentary signal which will then activate the horn. Let's give her a try.